Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insightful content. Today, we are talking about a topic that's close to home for so many of us, the psychology of Christmas. Christmas is a time of joy, excitement, and togetherness. But it's also a season filled with complex emotions and challenges. Have you ever wondered how this holiday affects our minds and emotions? Well, you're not alone. Today, we are going to dive into the psychology of Christmas and explore the emotional impact this time of year has on us. Christmas, it's the season of joy, giving, and togetherness, right? But have you ever stopped to think about how it truly affects our minds? Why does giving make us so happy? Why do some of us feel overwhelmed or even lonely during this festive time? From the uplifting power of nostalgia to the hidden stress of perfectionism, Christmas can be both a time of magic and challenge. Before we go ahead, let's take a moment to wish you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. As 2025 approaches, let's cherish these last few days of 2024. Stay safe, spread joy, and let's welcome the new year with hope and happiness. The positive impact of Christmas on our minds and emotions. Let's start with the positive side of Christmas, the aspects that can truly uplift our spirits and contribute to our emotional well-being. The joy of giving. First up, we've all heard the saying, it's better to give than to receive. But did you know there's a psychological reason for that? Studies show that giving actually boosts our own happiness. When we give gifts, donate to charities, or help others, our brains release dopamine, the feel-good neurotransmitter. According to psychological research, the act of giving is directly tied to feelings of pleasure and satisfaction. So, when you see someone's face light up as they unwrap a gift, your brain is rewarding you for that positive action. So, what is strengthening social connections? Christmas is also a time to strengthen our social bonds, and that's great for mental health. Humans are social creatures, and our relationships with others are crucial for our well-being. According to attachment theory, having close, supportive relationships provides emotional security and reduces stress. The holidays are the perfect opportunity to reconnect with family and friends, creating positive experiences that deepen those emotional bonds. Spending quality time with loved ones not only makes us feel connected but also helps to buffer against the negative effects of stress. So, what is the power of nostalgia? Christmas is steeped in tradition, and for many, it brings a sense of nostalgia. Whether it's a song, a scent, or a familiar decoration, these holiday triggers can bring back cherished memories of past holidays and childhood moments. Psychologically, nostalgia can be incredibly beneficial. Research suggests that nostalgic memories can enhance our mood, boost self-esteem, and even help us feel more connected to others. It's a reminder of happy times and can fill us with a sense of warmth and comfort, especially during difficult periods. The negative impact of Christmas on mental health. Of course, while Christmas can be a time of joy, it also brings its share of emotional challenges for many people. From stress to loneliness, the holiday season can be overwhelming. Holiday stress and expectations. One of the biggest psychological challenges during Christmas is the pressure to make everything perfect. Whether it's buying the right gifts, hosting the perfect dinner, or fulfilling social obligations, the holiday season can feel like one big checklist. This pressure can lead to stress, anxiety, and even burnout. Studies show that unrealistic expectations, especially those influenced by social media or commercials, can increase stress levels. So, if you're feeling overwhelmed this Christmas, remember that it's okay to let go of perfectionism and focus on what truly matters to you. Financial anxiety. Another major source of stress during the holidays is financial anxiety. Many people feel the pressure to overspend, either on gifts or holiday travel, which can lead to feelings of guilt or worry about money. Psychologically, financial stress is one of the top contributors to anxiety, and Christmas tends to amplify this. If you're feeling financially strained, it's important to set realistic budgets and remember that the holidays are about connection, not consumerism. Seasonal affective disorder, SAD. During the winter months, some people experience seasonal affective disorder or SAD, a type of depression triggered by the shorter days and lack of sunlight. For those with SAD, Christmas may not feel as festive, as the weather and darkness can contribute to low mood, lethargy, and sadness. While the holidays are often a time for celebration, for many, it can be hard to feel the festive cheer when you're struggling with depression or anxiety. If this sounds familiar, don't hesitate to seek support, whether through therapy or connecting with loved ones. Loneliness and isolation. For some people, Christmas can be a reminder of loneliness. Whether it's because of being far from family, recent loss, or strained relationships, the emphasis on family gatherings during the holidays can intensify feelings of isolation. Research shows that social isolation can have a profound impact on mental health, contributing to depression, anxiety, and even physical health issues. If you're struggling with loneliness during the holidays, consider reaching out to a mental health professional or even a friend to help alleviate those feelings. Section 3. How to cope with holiday stress and enhance your well-being. Now that we've explored both the highs and lows of Christmas, let's talk about how you can protect your mental health and make the most of this holiday season. Practice mindfulness and be present. Mindfulness is all about staying present in the moment and not getting overwhelmed by worries. During the holiday season, try to focus on the joy of the present rather than stressing about what's to come or comparing your holiday to others. Mindfulness can help reduce stress, improve emotional regulation, and even enhance feelings of joy. So take a deep breath, enjoy the small moments, and savor the experience of Christmas without the pressure. Set realistic expectations. It's easy to get caught up in the idea of creating the perfect Christmas, but that can set us up for disappointment. Set realistic expectations and focus on what truly matters, whether that's time with family, moments of quiet reflection, or simply enjoying your favorite holiday traditions. Reach out for support. Remember, you're not alone. If you're feeling overwhelmed, anxious, or lonely, reaching out for support can make a huge difference. Whether it's confiding in a friend, joining a holiday support group, or seeing a therapist, asking for help is an important step in taking care of your mental health. Take time for self-care. Finally, self-care is crucial. Make time for activities that help you recharge, whether it's a quiet walk in the snow, reading a book by the fire, or enjoying a relaxing bath. Christmas is a time for giving, but don't forget to give yourself the gift of rest and relaxation. Conclusion. Christmas is a time of contrasts, joy and stress, connection and isolation, excitement and exhaustion. But by understanding the psychological impact of this holiday, we can better navigate its complexities and protect our mental well-being. Whether you're basking in the joy of giving, struggling with holiday stress, or simply trying to find peace, remember that your emotions are valid, and it's okay to ask for help when needed. I hope this video has given you some insight into the psychology of Christmas. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on mental health, happiness, and well-being. And, as always, take care of yourself this holiday season. Until next time, stay kind, stay present, and enjoy the holidays.